Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To begin with, the Australian dollar took on the challenge overnight towards that 75.95 but was not defeated. Instead, the market responded to a quite modest recovery but was clearly contained by the 76.55 resistance. With a bearish tone coming back into the market this morning, I am expecting to see a move down towards 75.95 and lower towards 75.40 to 74.80, which is the near month lows around this region here, and reassess from 74.80.90. Any advances towards the upside should still find resistance beyond 76.55 to that near month high of 77.05.40. A vast supply zone now building up towards the top side for the Australian case to see a bearish move eventually to that downside target. With the dollar index gaining momentum overnight, back above the 99 handle, the euro has lost its footing and as you can see is now breaking down towards 107.70 support and lower towards 107.05.20. Now a break beneath there would give further scope to the downside and see a target of 105.70. Any fresh advances should still find resistance capping around 108.60 to 109.15.20. On the dollar yen case, has hit a few bumps since the break of the 110.95. However, towards that 111.65.75 should find resistance on the day. However, if we do see further weakness to the yen case, then we could see the US dollar climbing through this level and see a corrective bull case to 112 to 114. But I'm a little bit cautious towards this region in case we get a rejection. Support comes in now at 110.50 and then 109.85. Well, the pound got hammered overnight from this recent up challenge, and as you can see here, it takes out the 125.55 support. Now challenging this level should see further weakness, and especially with the tonight we have the Brexit official Article 50 to be released, so the market may be a little bit whipsawed, but any advances towards 126 should find supply. I am holding the view that the market will fall towards the 122 handle and maybe down towards the 118 as a broader picture, and any advances still capping around 126. Well, as you can see, the gold has fallen quite heavily and now challenging this level of 12.47 support. I do hold the view that the fact that the market should fall lower towards 42 and reassess from there, as we could be looking lower towards 24. Any advances on the day towards that resistance that holds now around 12.58 to 12.64 as a supply zone. And to round up with the oil, the bullish divergence that's coming through in the market, as you can see here, from the stochastic as well as the MACD, does give concern that we should see a correction in the bull case up towards a potential target of either 50.5 to 51.5. Any weakness should be a buy on dips, and while this pattern holds, the bullish divergence is a very strong signal or pattern that comes through in the markets, and I do feel that when we last saw this divergence, you can see here we got a lower low and another lower low in price, but a lower high and another lower high, and look what happened with the market. It surged from that 43 handle all the way up towards 51 to 55. If this pattern here is being repeated now, then we could see the oil back towards 51 to 55. Thank you very much for joining me this morning. And as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released shortly.